15 Part C question 21st. Discuss on forward versus backward reasoning. In artificial intelligence, the purpose of the search is to find the path through a problem space. There are two ways to pursue such as a search, that are forward and backward reasoning. Content: forward versus backward reasoning. Comparison chart. Definition: key differences. Conclusion: basic, data driven, goal driven. Begins with new data, uncertain conclusion. Objectives: to find the conclusion that must follow. Facts to support the conclusion. Types of approach: opportunistic, conservative, follow, incipient to consequence, consequent to incipient. Steps that followed in forward reasoning: the inference engine explores the knowledge base with the provided information for constraints whose precedence matches the given current state. In the first step, the system is given one or more than one constraints. Then the rules are searched in the knowledge base for each constraint. The rules that fulfill the condition are selected. Definition of backward reasoning: inverse of forward reasoning, in which goal is analyzed in order to deduce the rules, initial facts and data. We can understand the concept by the similar example given in the above condition. Steps that are followed in the backward reasoning: firstly, the goal state and the rules are selected where the goal state reside is then part as the conclusion. From the if part of the selected rule, the subgoals are made to be satisfied for the goal state to be true. Set initial condition important to satisfy all the subgoals. Verify whether the provided initial state matches with the established state. Key differences between forward and backward reasoning in AI. The forward reasoning is a data driven approach, while backward and reasoning is a goal driven. The process starts with new data and facts in the forward reasoning. Conversely, backward reasoning begins with the result. Forward reasoning aims to determine the result followed by some sequences. On the other hand, backward reasoning emphasizes on the acts that support the conclusion. Explain hierarchical planning. In the artificial intelligence, hierarchical task network planning is an approach to automated planning in which the dependency among action can be given in the form of hierarchically structured networks. Primitive, compound task, goal task. Constraints among tasks are expressed in the form of networks called hierarchical task networks. A task network is a set of tasks and constraints among them. Such a network can be used as a precondition for another compound or goals tasks to be feasible. This way, one can express that a given task is feasible only if a set of other actions. One particular formalism for representing hierarchical task networks that has been fairly widely used in teams. Describe control knowledge. Knowledge about which paths are most likely to lead quick, which states are more preferable to others, which rule to apply in a given situation, the order in which to pursue subgoals, useful sequences of rules to apply. Control language knowledge. Long-term memory is used to store a set of production. Short-term memory is a buffer that is affected by perception and serves as a storage area for facts detected by rules in long-term memory. All intermediate final results of problem solving are remembered. Control knowledge. ProDigi is a general purpose problem solving problem. Incorporates several different learning mechanisms. It can acquire controlled rules in a number of ways: through hand coding by programmers, through a static analysis of the domain operators, through looking at traces of its own problem solving behavior. Two issues concerning control rules. The first issue is called the utility problem. As we add more and more control knowledge to a system, the system is able to search more judiciously. If there are many constraint rules, simply matching them all can be very time consuming. The second issue concerns with the complexity of the production system interpreter. Discuss speech recognition, also known as automatic speech recognition or computer speech recognition, which means understanding voice by the computer and performing any required task. Where it can be used: system control or navigation. Example: GPS connected digital maps. How far is it to motorway junction? Commercial industrial application: in-car steering system, voice dialing, hand-free use of mobile in-car. Example: dial office. Recognition. Acoustic model, language model. Acoustic model is created by taking audio recordings of speech and the text transcriptions and using software to create statistical representation of the sounds that make up each word. Language model is used in many natural language processing applications such as speech recognition. Tries to capture the properties of a language and to predict the next word in a speech sequence. Types of voice recognition: speaker dependent and speaker independent. Speaker dependent is commonly used for dictation software. Speaker independent is more commonly found in telephone applications. Speaker dependent software works by learning the unique characteristics of a single person voice in ways similar to voice recognition. Speaker independent software is designed to recognize any voice, so no training is involved. The downside in the speaker independent software is generally less accurate than speaker dependent software.